Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Hello.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
Yeah, good.
Right. Yes. Tell me, guys, one thing there. Have you created your LWC project on this? Means what I want to say. I think already everyone authorized their org, right? See that here below. You can find it here. This successfully authorized Kishore.8pma@gmail.com with org ID. This is my Salesforce org ID, right? It is done. After that, we need to go for creating the component, ADW component. After this, I think you don't finish it, right? And you can check with that. Control Shift P. I'm using it here. I'm creating a ADW component there. Look at that. Go with this. And you can enter the file name here, like you can say LWC first component or LWC first component. Like this, I'm going to say it. Okay, first component. Okay, press on the enter button again here. Again, one more time, just you can see force -app /main /default /LWC. You can select that one there. You can press on the enter button one more time there. See this? Okay, your LWC component has been created here. In this one. What it is going to create, you wait for it. Okay. Up to that, everyone finished or not? Because that is creating them. Tell me, guys, everyone finished or not after this? Can you hear me? Mansa?
I did this one.
Mansa?
Yeah.
Finished or not? This one?
Yes, I finished.
Okay. Akshay? Rajesh? Ryan, Jeffrey?
Yes, I have linked.
Okay. If anyone is not, please do this one after this, because we are going to create here the first component. Now we are going to see. You can see that files. I said already the file structure is there in LWC. 4 files we are going to see it here. First is a HTML file.html. Second is a file.js. You can see that. First one is there, file.html. Okay, file.html, and the second file.js JavaScript. That we're using it from the ECMAScript there, and ECMAScript 6. You can see next to file.js. Okay, file.js. You can see it here. You're going to see there. Look at here is file.js-meta XML, right? JS-meta. Okay, meta dot XML here. So we are going to use this file there, right? And in addition to this one more file is there. But by default, with this, it is not going to create here. That is a CSS file. But we need to create this one there. Okay, based on that component name, we have to create a CSS. Are you getting? So by default, these are the default files you are going to get here. This HTML, JS, and meta XML. You are going to get these are the 3 files there. One more file that you want, you can see, you can create here file.css file. You can use it here. So these are the component bundle, we can say. Okay, these are the component bundle, right? In LWC. These are the component bundle in LWC. Okay, we can use it here. How we can create a CSS file of it? We need to check it here. Before we start this programming, okay, we need to understand how the CSS to be created here. Okay, man. Now, First thing is there, you have that HTML file is there, right? Just select this one and right click on it. You can see the rename it here. Well, rename it, see that it is selected and you copy it. Okay, man. Now I'm creating cascading style sheets, CSS for it. Okay, look at that. You can see LWC first component here. Hello, don't try anything there. Other people, don't draw on the screen. Look at here. You can see it. LWC first component is there. Here. Just right click on it. When you right click on it, man, you can see the new file. See, don't do on this one here. If you click on here, you cannot find the new file. If you click on here, this, okay, you cannot find the new file. Okay, but here, when you click on this, right click on it, you can find the new file there. Okay, take this new file and give a name for it. Already name is copied. .css extension I'm going to create here. That's all. Are you getting? That's all. The file is created there. See that CSS file is also created. LWC first component .css file is also created. You can see HTML. You can see JS. You can see meta XML. Meta XML means here like the location of your component actually, where you want to keep your component. Okay, the parameter that you want to pass or the location of the component that you want, you can go for this lightning bundle, like lightning component bundle. You can see XMLNS, the path is going to show you there here, and API version 57.0, you are going to see it here, is exposed, means whether you are exposing this component to somewhere else. Okay, you want to expose it on the app page, you want to expose it on the home page, or that you want to expose it on the record page, where you want to expose. Okay, that expose or location you have to provide it here. That's the meaning of it. First thing that will create on component. Okay, we will see how we can execute this. Okay, how we can deploy to the org. Okay, deploy to the how we can deploy the source to the org. This is the source. See that these are the source files, we can say it. Are you getting how we can deploy this source first to the org? Those things that we are going to see it. Okay, man. Now we will go with this, and I'm going to write a first template here. Means template means the component I'm going to create here. This my component is there like this. You can see like you can take a heading tag there. H1 tag I'm taking here. Okay, and in this tag I'm writing something there. You can see hello developers. Hello developers, welcome to, you can say that. Welcome to LWC training. LWC training. Okay. Hello developers, welcome to LWC training. Are you getting? And that's the thing. Very simple component. Welcome to LWC training. Good. That is done. Save it. Save it means you can press on the Ctrl S. Okay. Now see this one there. We have here what we have there here. JS file is there. I said already what's the import element from LWC module. We're importing the lightning element functionalities from this LWC module. This LWC module is already there in the, I said already this point also there. LWC module is there already in the ECMAScript skills. Okay, from this LWC module, I'm going to import, I'm going to get this LWC element. Okay, whatever the component that you have created here. See, that one I'm exporting there to extend the functionality of this lightning element. Okay, you can see that export. Export means, okay, we are getting up this, or we are taking up this LWC component to extend the lightning element we have discussed already there. So my component, a simple component is created there already. Are you getting? My simple component is created there. saved it, already saved here this. Okay, man. Now my next requirement is where I want to display this one there here. Where I want to display this. Okay. If I want to display this one, man, first come to JS meta XML here. In this one is expose, I'm going to make it as a true first because I'm trying to expose there. And the target places you need to provide there here. Where you want to provide here is where you want to display this. That may be component of the parameters where you want to display there. You can see I'm going to take here targets, the plurals I'm going to take it here. Look at that. And here also close it, and the targets I'm going to take it here. Okay, keep your cursor. And what are the targets you need to provide there? Here I'm going to take the targets like inside the targets I'm going to take the particular target. Okay, particular target there, like I can say the target like this, close it again, target, you can see this. Okay, target is to be like on the lighting app page I want to display there, or on the lighting record page I want to display there, or on the lighting home page I want to display there. You can provide that target place like lightning double underscore underscore on the app page I want to display this. In the same manner, where you want to display here, not only on the app page I want to display on the record page, or I want to display on the home page. Are you getting? You can provide here this record page. Okay, or you can play. You can show it here. You can display it on the home page like this. You can display it. Or you can save it. Save it. First, you try to save it here. Okay. Are you getting? You can save it like this. Did you understand, guys, what I'm trying to say? Hello, the people. Did you understand what I'm trying to say here?
Yes.
Okay, see, if the people are getting the confusion regarding the app page, record page, and home page, see, man, what the app page means, nothing is there. Why in this developer console? Open your developer console. Are you getting? Open this developer console. If you create any lightning application there, if you create any lightning application, you can say, for example, what I want to say here, go to the file, new, here the lightning application. On this particular lightning application that you want to display, for example, I'm creating one application there, right? That is Durga app. Durga app, I'm creating there. See it. I think everyone might have practiced lightning or a component, right? Now I'm going to use it here. Extends equals to, what you can say, force colon Salesforce lightning designing system. I'm going to provide here this. In this left angle C colon, right? That what are the component that you created here? Are you getting? What are the component that you created there? You can go for that, rename it, and copy this again one more time. Got it? Copy this one more time there, and if you want to create here this, look at me and go for this developer console. I'm using this one there here. Got it? Like this, that you want to try to understand this component that you want to display it on the application there, app page. Got it? Then we can go for using this meta XML file here. So what is that? Meta XML file, app page. On the record page that you want to display, you can see, go with this. It is actually home page actually there here, man. It is a home page. On the home page you want to display, you can display it here. On the particular record page that you want to display there, you can display it. For example, we all take an application there, like we have account records, many records are going to find it here, right? On any of the record that you want to display. For example, I'm taking here accounts. accounts, open that. Go to all accounts. Like this. I'm opening one particular record there, right? On this record page that you want to display there. Got it? You can display it. On the record page, somewhere else that you want to display here, right? This is a record page actually. You want to display it, you can display it here. That's nothing but here, meta XML file record page. Okay, so the places we know where you want to, the locations we know where you want to display this component. Okay, for that purpose we are using it here. Any parameters or the location of the component we have given this, and my component is also ready there. My component is also ready there. I saved it here, this man. Okay, I saved it here, and once I saved it, do this one there. I'm going to deploy. This is my source. Okay, the source I'm going to deploy to the org actually. Just you can right click on it, this component. I'm moving this one there. Okay, you have the option there, deploy source to org. You can see it here. Deploy source to org. You can see it here. This just you can click on it. Already org is set, right? Deploy source to org. You can see. See that it is failed there. Something. Why it is failed here? This. Why it is failed there? It is failed to run here. This. Now we can go for saving this. You can see the problems here there. Lightning component is LWC component for lightning component is bundled LWC. You can see. Okay, something it is failed there. Lightning component source bundle cannot be empty. Bundle cannot be empty here. This. Save it first. Your the file is not displayed in the text editor because it is directly there here.
The app is created.
Right. It is already there. We go for giving this HTML tagging here. H1 I'm going to use it here there. Like color I'm going to take that red and the background I'm going to use it here. Background color I'm going to take it here from for example green. Okay, save it. This component again. Cannot be empty. It's not empty there here. Save it. One more time that you can try it here. This. Or select this. Is saved already. .html. You can see as parents and I'm going to give it here. I'm going to open the file here. When I started here, I'm going to open the file first here. Is I think the folder is not. Just you wait for 1 second. I'm doing it here because the file is I have not opened that file. Close this one. First you close it. Close it. Close folder. So, minimize it. Go to this PC and open it. The Jdbc is there here. I think this folder is not open here. That will go for. I have not created the folder properly. That's the reason. LWC project D. I'm taking it. That's a project D. Okay, open this folder. Now we can use it here. And this one, open your folder. Yes, there we did this mistake. Folder so directly I did this one there. That's why it's showing like this. Is it the LWC? We have the project D. Okay, and select this folder. I think the folder is not opened properly here. That's right. That's the reason there. Please wait. Before we start this, actually we have to open this folder there, right? That's the one thing that we need to do it here. This, okay. and we have to get that checkbox again. Wait. Oh, it's taking longer time. Click the checkbox. One thing again, you do it here. This folder here. Right again. Oh yes. Click on this. Yes, got it. Just wait for few minutes, guys. Don't open it here. Unexpectedly, folder I have not opened there. That's why we are getting this error. Minimize it. Retry. Create a new folder here. I'm creating this. LWC or service SF DC SFDX D, just the folder name. Inside this, I'm going to create here one more new folder. USB project. Yeah. Just the project you need to get here this, and after that, open your folder, like open your folder here. You can see it. Open this. Open this. Select this. File, open folder. Select this. Okay, touch the others and touch the others thing. Just Now you can go for Control Shift P to create the project here. I'm going to use to create the project. Create this project. Control Shift P. Control Shift P. I'm using it here. Wait for it. Create the project again. No scope. Yeah, wait. One of the systems. Yeah, before that, it's going on. See, what is the difference between var, let, and constant? Anyone is having idea or not? Hello. Meanwhile, it is going on here. What's the difference between var, let, and constant? Anyone is having idea on that or not?
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, sure. Actually, var is accepting all the numbers and string.
Var, let. I'm saying that. What is the var? What is let?
Var is accepting variables and variables.
Constant. See, in LWC, most of our program that we are going to run on var, let, constant. Why is this?
When you are in the constant means entire program itself, it's the value is not changed. The var values in case maybe it possible to change. For example, var a equal to 10 we have to take means that var 10 is accepting, but in case in this program itself that var value may be changed. But constant itself it's not possible to change.
In JavaScript, once you assign the value, once you declare here, var, let, constant means here, we are going to do it practically those things. Look at here. The var is nothing but here, we can say they are the global scope or the function scope actually. Okay. Means for that function within the function, okay, we can say that locally also we can use it here. Var variables are globally scoped or function scoped. Got it? And we can say var variables can be updated or redeclared. Okay, that is also possible there here. Okay, for example, we can say you want to go to this one triple ID, open it, or any JavaScript programming interface you can take it here. For example, here triple ID, create a triple. Is going on, I think. Control Shift P. Create project is done, but for example, I'm saying it here. What is this? Var. What I said, the var are globally scope, or you can say function scope. I said here this var variables can be updated, or we can say that they can be redeclared there. within its function scope there. Okay. And you can see, for example, here, I'm going to say where I'm writing here, where x equals to 10 I'm writing. Okay. And I can say here the document dot, generally document dot write, what you can say, document dot write of x I'm going to provide here. If I execute this, what I'm going to get here is generally, okay, what I'm going to get here, if I execute where x equals to 10 I'm writing there, it is declared, right? This one is to be called declared. 10 I'm going to get here this. Okay, man. And for example, I'm trying to update this where. I'm trying to update this. See that the name of the variable is x here. I'm trying to update here. How we can update here? This, for example, x equals to, I'm writing x plus 5. Okay, so that x value I'm going to update here this with this x plus 5 there. If I execute here this, look at that. Am I getting the value here or not?
Yeah.
Okay, and you can see, you can right click on it here, inspect element. After this one, I'm doing it here. Okay, you are not supposed to get any errors there here, generally. Okay, you are not supposed to get any errors. You can see it here. Okay, that's the thing there. Means the variable can be updated there. That we can update here. Suppose I'm trying to redeclare this variable there here. Remove this one there. Where is already 10. And again, I'm writing here where x equals to 100. Okay, I'm redeclaring this one. You can see this one, and again click on the execute here. This. Okay, are you getting the value for the where or not?
Yes.
Means this where can be modified. Means we can update it, or we can redeclare. Got it? The where can be updated, or where can be redeclared. That is happened. Let me check it here one more time. Yes, select this standard project. Okay, and the project name is there. Simple. You can say simple LWC is the project name. You can take it. Yeah, this one I misread here. There. Are you getting? Hello. Just before this one I misread here. Are you getting where I did the mistake?
Yeah.
Yes. This one I missed it. Create this project. Okay. Wait for the moment. That's okay. Right. This part is done. Okay. And once the project is done, okay, this we are going to authorize or we have to provide that. Here, it will take again some time there. Meanwhile, we'll discuss this. That is nothing but here, man, where x equals to given here to 100 and where x equals to where x equals to 10 we have given, and where x equals to 100 we have given here. What is the meaning of this one there? Okay, where is redeclared there here. Redeclare. Though the where is redeclared, right? You are not going to get the error. Got it? That's the meaning of it. Okay, and I said already it is a function scope there. Where is function scope? What is the where is function scope? I'm going to write the code like this. You can see. I'm writing on a function there. I think everyone knows what the function is. A function contains the logical state which it contains there. The function name we are going to use it here. This like function can be, for example, you can see function. I'm using a function name is to be, for example, displays the function name. Okay, I'm going to is the open and closing curly system. Okay, well, and here I'm writing a simple for loop. Or you can take that for loop x. I'm going to use it here, or you can say where here I'm declaring it. Look at that where x equals to 0. I'm writing here, and x is less than or equals to 10. I'm writing there, and x plus I'm writing this. I'm using it here. This means how many elements is going to display there. If I write it here, if I write the document dot, write for If I write
11
document, okay, how many men?
11.
Hey, not 11 here. For this, up to this, I'm writing there. You're saying that beyond that. Okay, if I write, for example, I'm using it here for 1 by 1 plus I'm using that double quotes there. See that here I'm executing this one. Less than or equals to 10, I have mentioned there. If I execute this one, okay, you're not going to get anything there. Look at that. You're not going to get anything there, but you have to call that function there here. Function should be called. Got it? After this, we are going to call this function. Okay, man. If you call this function now, you tell me there. Here also, you are not going to get anything there. Is that right? How many values you are getting there? X equals to 0. Okay, I'm not writing x is greater than 0 there. X equals to 0 and let x is less than or equals to, okay, 10. Means we are getting that 0 to 10 elements we are getting there here. That's the thing. Okay, see this one, man. Why I'm discussing here this. See there, it is local. Can you get it? Here we did here this local declaration, we did here this. Okay, it is function scope. Function scope means here, suppose I'm trying to do this one there here. What I'm trying to do this, okay, I'm going to write this one there. I'm going to write here after this for loop. After this for loop, I'm writing there. Please wait. After this for loop, I'm writing there here. Okay. If I write here after this, see, it is a local declaration. Now we can say that it is a function scope. Look at here. If you write this one here within the function, look at here for this function, that will comes under the function scope. Look at here this. Okay. If I write like this, how many values you are going to print there after the 10? Because I'm calling here after this one there. Look at here. If I click on this, okay. How many elements are there? Up to this 10 values are displayed. After this, it is called here there. How many elements are displaying, man, here? 11th, are you getting the 11th element or not? See, it is a local declaration that we did here. Okay, the same print statement, I'm calling it here. Up to this, see this one 0 to 10, it is displayed locally. Okay, when I call it here within the function there, it is going to display another value there here. Means up to 10, it is the work of the for loop there, it is going to display there. And if you call this here one more time there, look at here. Documented right of x, if I call it here this, within the function it is going to call there here this. But the same thing, I'm trying to call it here after this. Copy it and paste it here there after the function. Look at that. Look at that. Do you have any changes in this one? If I write here there, do you have any changes here?
No.
No changes. Look at, man. It is going to run within the function.
And the global.
Yes. Right? Within the function. That's the meaning of it here. This. Now we can check it here one time. Control Shift P. That org is not set here. This. Okay, right. Means what you understand from this where is a function scope. Okay, our global scope function scope there. We can say that where can be redeclared or where can be updated there. Okay, if you are supposed to call after this function there here, Okay, you are not going to get any result here. That's meaning of the where. Okay, man. Let me go with that. Let me go with that. If you want, you can take it here. This. If you don't want, you can take it. Let me go with another thing there. What is that? For example, I'm taking the let. Again, I'm writing here let x equals to 10. Okay, man. And we are writing here this document dot write. I'm writing here this document dot write of x. What is the value that you are going to expect here? This. See. What's the value? 10. You are going to get it here.
10.
Okay, man. Good. Now here, I'm going to do one thing there here. I'm writing here x equals to x plus 50. I'm writing there here this. Okay. If I execute it means I'm trying to update this variable there. Okay. I'm trying to update this let variable there. Look at that.
60.
Okay. Are you getting the 60 here or not?
Yeah.
Good. But here I'm trying to redeclare. Okay, I'm trying to redeclare. Close this one here. In this one, close it here. I'm trying to redeclare. What I'm trying to redeclare here. Let again x equals to, okay, x equals I'm writing the 100. Okay, whether it is redeclaring or not. See, let variable can be updated. That we have seen already. X equals to x plus 5 or something we have written there. That is updated. Okay, you can click on this. Look at that. See it here. If I'm trying to redeclare, what is the error we are getting there here? Below. Uncaught syntax error. Identifier x has already been declared. Is it declared already or not here?
Yeah.
Okay. The let cannot be redeclared. Okay. Where can be updated and where can be redeclared. That we have seen. But coming to let can be updated but cannot be redeclared. Are you getting? Did you understand it or not?
Yeah.
Okay, man. Okay. That's the thing. We can see that org default that is not there here. We can go for control free again here. There we can go for authorizing an org. What of the const variable? If once the value is already once that const variable is already declared, okay, what happens to it? That neither be updated nor be redeclared. Neither be updated nor be redeclared. Okay. In every programming there, in this LWC, in every programming, most of the cases we are going to use this where, let, and constant variables. We are going to use it here. Correct? On the time. Okay. Yes, we can do this.
We learn JavaScript also.
Come again?
You will taught us JavaScript also in the session.
No. How much is required for the LWC? That much we need to discuss. What are the things that we are going to discuss? What are the things that we are using regularly in the LWC there? Those JavaScript functionalities we have to discuss there. Not, I'm not expert. I'm not expert in JavaScript there. Okay. Means we are using the JavaScript in LWC.
Part of JavaScript required.
Yeah.
In
It is a part of JavaScript. There are some basic things that we need to discuss there. Okay, some basic things, just like where, let, constant, the string interpolations, the string methods there. Okay, map. Okay, map collections. So these type of classes. Okay, some functions. Those things we will discuss there, not everything, right? And I have given here like the username is there for this.
What is the meaning? Means when we use let keyword,
Oh.
it support the function and the block scope. Yeah.
One second, 1 second. 1 second here. Okay. Okay. Here org is set already. Yes, authentication successful there. You can close it. If you want, you can close it here. Now you can see. Now you can go for okay, man. Can I go for creating the new LWC component here? Hello. Authorize org is completed there. Is it completed or not?
Yes.
Yes, we will go for creating LWC component here. For the LWC, I'm creating here my LWC, for example. The component is my LWC. Okay, let's see this. I'm going to use it here. LWC. Let's wait for it. The component has been created there. Okay, man. Get TKHTML file. Now I'm using it here. See that H1 tag, for example, I'm using it here. In this hello everyone, welcome to LWC. Okay, that's the thing that is saved already. Okay, come to the XML. I make it here the true, and that I'm going to take that targets. Okay, and here also the targets. Okay, is it here? And this I'm going to use it here again. Target. Target. You can use like this also. Let XML LWC. If you want to create target configurations, you can take it here. See this one there? Targets. If you want, you can copy this directly there. Okay, you can paste it here. It is also copied. Paste it. You can see. Like this. Okay, and save it. It is saved there. Okay, let me go for deploying this component here. Already. This one is already saved, and this one is also already saved here. Okay. Now I'm going to deploy to the source org. Reply source to the org there here. What is showing there here? What is showing there? Are you there? Hello.
Yeah, successfully deployed.
Okay. Deploy source to org successfully run. It is done successfully there. Now we need to go to the org here. Then I'm going to use it here. The first thing is developer console. Okay, developer console. Okay, close this. Go to the file, new. What you can say, lighting application. For example, DLWC app, for example. Okay, that's the name. I'm going to take it, for example, submit it. And here you can say the extends equals to Salesforce Lightning Design System. I'm going to take it here. And what's the name of this component here?
We can also create the app through app builder.
See, that is different aspect here. Look at here. Now you can see that I'm going to close it here. Save it. Okay. And save it and go to the preview area once. Look at this. See that? Can you find your application? Can you find your component here or not?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. What we're doing there, that we're doing it on the app page. Okay, right. That successfully we did it here. Let me go with this one more thing here. Go to the JS. Okay, JS contains already import and export. I can see the import elements from the LWC and export default class my LWC component extends lightning element is there. You can keep your cursor here. Okay, I'm doing something there. I'm going to do some changes in the here. You can see I'm writing here. For example, you can say. Okay, I'm writing here this Durga, for example. Okay, I'm taking. See, I'm not going to use an exclamator there. Here is okay, man. And look at here. Go to JS. In this, I'm writing here Durga equals to something. I'm going to use it here. What can use it here? Hello, aspirants and developers like this. Something I'm going to use it. You can see. This one is also done. It is saved already. If it is not saved, you can see white color bubble. You can see there if it is not saved. Okay, man. And look at man. I'm doing the data binding from Lightning to JavaScript there here. Okay, in the it means LWC to JavaScript. Here I have written here the variable call. You can see Durga. The same thing that I'm going to plot the data in the JS there here. Durga equals to aspirants and okay, that we're taking here. Okay, man. Save it. Okay, man. That's the thing that we are going to use it here. Now you can copy this one again. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to deploy this one to the source org. I'm trying to deploy this JS to the source org. Okay, see that I'm trying to this meta XML successfully to the source org. Okay, man. Now you can find it here, this whether you get in the result properly or not. Refresh it. Are you getting that result here or not? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. The data bind is happened to the JavaScript variable. Okay. That is there on the Lightning Web Comps here. You can see hello aspirants are giving it. That is there that we can means that is deployed successfully to the R. Okay, good. That I'm displaying on the I'm trying to display it on the here. We can see it on the app page there. Now let me do here this one more thing that we can do it here. And if you come here, I'm going to create here. Look at that here. Expand this. Go to the new file. In this, I'm using here .css. Okay, that is done. That is created here. This I'm using here h1. You can see there. I'm going to take here the color equals to something red. I'm taking there, and background color. I'm going to use it here. For example, yellow, or you can see yellow green, or yeah, yellow there. Okay, like this, I'm going to use it here because for the H1 tag that I'm going to provide it here. Got it? H1 tag. Okay, that is done. Yellow. Okay. For example, now it is there already there. Again, you can deploy here. Okay, to the source R. Here also you can deploy to the source R, source to the R. Okay, here you can deploy to the source R. You can see this one. Successfully run. You can see. Again, you can deploy this one with XML for the source R. Okay, here is source to the R. Okay, good. Now I can refresh it here one more time there. Whether getting it or not, you can see it, refresh it. Okay, it is applied or not. Can you find it here? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose I'm trying to do this one. I'm going to display this one on my app page. Okay. On my app page, I want. Sorry. On my record page, I want to display. See that? Here you have the account. Account contains account record. Burlington Industrial Corporation of America. There here, and you go to here. You can see. Can you find the setup symbol there? Can you find it here?
Yes.
Can you find the edit page?
Yeah.
Okay, you click on this edit page. Means edit page means that record page. I'm going to edit this. On that record page, I want to display my component there successfully. See it here, come down left side, you can see. Come down, down, down. Can you find your LWC component here?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you want to display this one there? There you can display it here. Suppose I'm taking this, I'm going to drag and drop it here there. You can find it. Are you getting it or not? One more time. See this one. Can you find your component here?
Yeah.
Yes, you can see your component there. Okay, man. You can see your component is going to display there, and can click on the save. Okay. And you can activate here this. Activate it. Okay, man. It is activated. You close those things there. When you activate here, you can close it. See this one. Done. It is done already here. Now go back here, man. Okay. Go back. Go back here. This. Open the record. The same record. We know it here that is going to display it, okay, on this record page there, where it is. Refresh it one more time. Wait. Again,
We didn't activate.
it didn't activate it. If it is not activated, means you can go with the again. Click on this. Click here this. Click on this and go to the edit page. One more time, if you want, you can remove this component and you can drag and drop it. Come down, down, down. Look at pen, just drag it and drop it here. Anyway, where you want to display the images, you can see this. Okay, man? It is there here. And save it. Okay, right. Okay, activate it. See that we have the default org. We have that already. Org default is there. You can close it. Okay, man. For the activation, I'm saying it here. Okay, man. Org default. I can close it here. Okay. Now you can go back. It is already. Just you go back for one more time, I guess. Okay. Go back. If the component is displayed or not, check it. Is it displaying or not, man? Why it is not saving? Refresh that.
Actually, you can go again and
Yes, it will take some time. Refresh it.
maybe actually default arc is not connected.
I think it is connected there. I think go for one more. Edit page. Really? We'll do one thing there.
We can analyze.
No, not unless save.
Wait. Not unless. Activation.
Active. Active.
Wait. They will get this.
Equation.
Can you see your component here?
Yes.
Can you see your component here? Okay, like this, we can get your component onto your record page there, right? In the same manner, app page also there here. You can get that under the app page here, right? C means we can do means we can once the LWC component is developed there, we can get that LWC component onto your app page, home page, or the record page. Okay, you can get it here this onto the record page like this. You can get here there. Everyone's work with this? Hello. Everyone's getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that's all. We'll discuss the rest of the things in the next session. I think everyone might have enrolled there. Okay, please enroll.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Any questions?
After that course, which job profile we apply?
Definitely can apply it. No doubt. Because LWC and the more importance. Nowadays, the projects are there on LWC. You can ask anyone. If any of your friends or colleagues are working in the companies, they're taking only for LWC now at present. Do you know that? Do you know that or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they're taking only for LWC. What
We will do some. Means real-time project like that. We will create some good projects also.
As per my experience, I'm saying there rather than the project, it's a good thing to practice use cases. Why I'm saying is when you enter into the company, okay, your manager or your team lead first that they are going to question you one thing there. Okay, one thing they are going to ask you there here. What is that? Shravan, what you did in your previous project? That's the first question. 100% they will ask this question there. If they ask like this, what you are going to say? What is your answer? Tell me. Hello. Did you listen or not? As per my experience, I'm saying this because the many people are there, right? Those are my candidates. So what they says here, not project here. Do practice on the subject properly and take the use cases properly. I'm going to provide the use cases there. Do practice on these cases. When you enter into the company, definitely they will ask you what you did in your project. What are these cases that you practiced? Okay, that you have to explain those use cases to them there. I got the requirement like this. I got the requirement from the Azure Matraji in the form of user stories so that I implemented those user stories there. Okay, and successfully within the sprint duration I completed. And my first use case is there like this, and the second use case there like this, like that you have to explain. Okay, man, time is running out. We will meet in the next
Are
session.
you going to explain a project LWC?
The same thing I said just before. What I'm discussing, the same thing there.
Yeah, that
Okay.
that I asked the same question.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Sir,
What's the
it is required Apex or Visual Force in this course.
in this Visual Force is not required, but Apex is needed. Apex, the triggers, okay, everything is common. But for UI part, we are
Okay.
discussing this UI and the JavaScript part, we are discussing this LWC components. Okay. Got it? Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye. See you.
So, duration of course.
I said already in the yesterday session, the duration is 1 month. Okay, I'll be the 1 month.
Okay.
1 month.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye. See you.